So as you can see, another snowy day. Yay.
Let's square that wall.
Yeah. I have a t-shirt on, a long sleeve shirt, a sweater, a heated vest, and then a winter coat.
I get the same minus the heated vest.
Yeah, I'm crazy.
Let's try to get this squared up before it gets too bad.
Yeah.
Because I think it may be going to get bad.
Yeah.
So don't know how much we're actually going to get done, but
Get a little start.
we just got to sneak in here when we can to do something.
Yeah, every
So,
little bit kind of counts.
At least get this standing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Just the smallest little bit, but every little bit counts, right?
You're right. Perfect.
Yeah, kick that top this way.
Nope, not perfect.
No, try that. That's good.
Okay. Oh my, it's slippery. You could go right to this one. Right on this one.
Is that the one?
Yeah, because it'll be 1, 2, 3. It's going to meet halfway on here.
All right. Nail it.
Let's do it. Do it. Gonna do it. Do it. Do it. Couldn't you put 2 sheets on here? Because won't the next one land half right here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Might as well.
Yep.
Less for you to have to do when it's standing.
Yep.
Do you have lots of those nails or shall I get more?
Battery dying on this thing? Is this charged last night?
No.
Uh-oh. We're dead.
It is? Here. Is that one working?
No, maybe there's a fault. No, it's acting up. Well, the nail gun's acting up, so I have to check that out later. Drive a few by hand.
Need more?
Probably will need more.
When all else fails, go back to the old-fashioned way.
Yeah. We did this for most of the
Yeah.
stuff anyway. We were always...
Hammering. We won't be putting the other sheet on then. I think that's all we have for nails.
Yeah, we don't even have any hand nails here. We got a whole bucket
Yeah.
at the farmhouse.
Yeah.
I have to bring them.
Yeah.
I set them by the door to bring them.
Just to brace it, you
Hey,
need to
you
get...
just throw a couple blocks under here.
Yeah. Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Almost.
Yep.
Okay. I'll just grab a stud.
Okay. Woo! Lord help me.
Oh,
Get the wall out before it gets too slippery.
too
Even
late.
more slippery. Alrighty.
You ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Looks a little high, that's all.
Huh. Does that help?
Nope. Got another thing got snuck under here. There, that should hold the bottom plate. Then when you hit it from the top, it won't bounce.
So as you can see, we have an abundance of snow yet again, and it's snowing. So I got a section cleared off here where we're gonna work, and the rest I'm just gonna leave for now because I'm not really sure what the weather has in store for us. Either more rain, more snow, don't really know, so I'm just gonna leave it and we'll deal with it when we actually get to that wall. Hello. Hi. She's here to help us today. So let's get at it. It's pretty cold and it's snowing, so better get this wall laid out.
All right, so we got another wall. That there, well, we did, that's actually a bathroom. So that's that little window is there.
The
Well,
tiny
part of it's
bathroom window.
part of it's a bathroom. The other part's another part of the kitchen or whatever. But the windows for the bathroom. So
Yeah, things didn't go as planned today. It's minus 16 today, so it's super cold, and our batteries died really fast, and we just couldn't get it charged up fast enough. So we cut some of the strip nails and hammered them by hand. So, and by we I mean he hammered them. I cut them, he hammered them.
yeah.
So a little bit more work, takes a little bit more time doing it that way, but it is what it is.
It's I honestly didn't think it felt that much colder, but temperature says it's getting cold.
Yeah.
We're not into full winter yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
The snow is coming down. It's pretty good, man. This is like all the time now. It's just snow, and then it'll rain, and then it'll snow, and then it'll rain, and then it's just like right random, just figuring it out if it's winter yet, because winter usually kicks in another couple weeks, but
Real hard.
this is a decent amount of snow coming right now.
It is.
Well, there's another wall, one little bit at a time.
It's right.
Right, and we got 2 more sections here to put up, and then we'll have all those, and then interior walls. So,
Yay! Can't wait to be on that.
interior walls with no roof, though.
Yeah, I guess. But at least we can keep the warmth, like some heat in with our new heater, because it can heat outdoor spaces. So I'm sure it'll heat something in there.
Yeah, if you stand right in front of it.
Yeah. All right. See ya.
Later.